nang pachun piserak nang ji pusi nijang Karbi Anglong KRA atum kehang padupon. Nihang nirep lapen Karbi Anglong aphan kicheng CLR PDP route plan project nang kele. Kiduk kelak heme jangre tumaphan kove aklim keron. Kardom nonang litum kelang ikbom laki Karbi Anglong live prime time aberta. Traditional Village Development Council Puthak ke claim ke damasai Assam Governor along masapso ke chok chian chotlo lasi laso Puthak ke ACCM tuliram rong hanga hinpen nangbor ipidunang jipusi nijang Karbi Anglong ke do Karbi rong asara mayatung ke ACCM tuliram rong hanga phan pherang ke maya longpen kachuningri padopon pini nijang Karbi Anglong ke do Karbi rong saramaya hinpen Traditional Village Development Council Puthak pherangkia mai phaponsi bronson terona hinpen kaningjia tengke nilituma phan sarkar pen nangke panong pipon Traditional Village Development Council Puthak ke claim ke damasai government pen masap chokche choran chotlopusi nilitum birta chelong dumlo lasira so Puthak ke ACCM tuliram rong hanga hinpen nangbor ipidunra prabjin pen Traditional Village Development Council kapachun pon serak jia phan chuning ripon lopusi pherangkia mayalong ke ACCM tuliram rong hanga phan kachuning ri padopon
nilitum nijang Karbi rong saramai pen CM phan alangli tuliram rong hanga ke hai phan nilitum ithe thenialam chuning ri ponitum labangso alamangke lapulo nilitum phan jutang jubat khe kapaching thurje phan Traditional Village Development Council pu nilitum kachehang 2016 pen lo lasi labangso Traditional Village Development Council bang nilitum phan rapjin pen nangpa chun pinangji
pherangkia mailong KRA hinpen puthot kachuning ripon thua tengke kedoan arong rong asara tum posetami bangso Traditional Village Development Council Puthak cherok dun tokra ke claim kera masayalong chunche posetami nang cherap che todu nang jiputa kachuning ri padopon halapu kapre katum KRA phan rachariya songlong kacherap dun dopu akoi nang ki pilapen nang karbokpon ke ahokali athe Karbi rong saramai ke Karbia khe jutang jubat nem rokom kapang chopon jia phansi ke claim lasila hai nang karbogalang ke angkura philong kabialam lasi ke bangjarni pusitami KRA phan lapuson ahok hea lampen karbokpon thap thide jia phanta pherangkia mayalong pen kachuning ri padopon
saramai isia song du labang suwa song aphan kapre katum nilitum phan nang karbok du labang so nang karbok bang ke lapu helo Karbi rong sar asong atu mate Karbi rong saramai atum ke political pen akachirap du puta nilitum manang pu bang du bon sita labang ke angkur kawe apilong kawe alam pina athema nilitum Karbi rong sar atum ke khailong jutang jubat la penjin nim rokom nilitum kapang choi ji phansi nilitum rong sar atum kachingrum lapen rong sar tum si chingrum lo ingtang lo lipute richo midu punon kapre punon nilitum khailong kang thurponji anta nilitum rong sar tum se cherap du lo puloche akitun che adim thang tabe lasi nilitum phan ke non ke bangji arni ana bangke Karbi rong sar song aphan political song punang hok hera latum ke rachariya song mate radaphan ke claim pona song po bangsi nilitum hanang hok ponang po
dongkam kam ben bikibe Karbi Anglong live Route Trainers Plans Project laki isi rubber board hinpen kechengsi Northeast India and parta Karbi Anglong aphan labangsu Route Trainers Plans ningkan pho harman nangkapali Numati constituency pen Socheng Dhanta constituency apartment isi akimi Route Trainers Plans Project ningkan pho apartment Kerala State pen Assam State along an kechengsi a project kimi nangpalilo Northeast pen kapre kadim along an labangso Route Trainers Plans Project ningkan pho apartment along tin supply padopon Laso taksi pini Nogaung board rubber under Hojai field station hinpen field officer Emily KK hinpen chepatir piponsi Chingri Rubber Producer Society Maipu Longsing Lake Thela pen chunbang Sarmen Hansia tumpen chelang rapet pensi Thedonga habar kedu kado kabe pen Suri Trokra Pharo Trok Trainer Plan Saklim beneficiary atuma phan keron padopon
Kardong karbing long live kelang ratum doan. Pini litum karbing long live pen ladak denarong ahitias adung sidolo. Ladak denarong ahiti adung penangan dak arong aratum rubber plantation labangso ice cream kedeng pon penangan ningkan pen kacepaduk dolo. Lason dak tase alang litum penangan abang putung ke training sampai Guwahati pen rubber boat ahin pen sampai alang litum penangan abar sailong lo. Sitame isi ningkarong berita nili karbing long live kelang ratuman pacini poning tung. This is for the first time lo. Lason arti mate labangso scheme labangso project Kerala pensi for the first time northeast along kebang. Apota opini lang pong along tablu dason. Aprang ke rubber ke isi plastic packet along sinang dunji. Sitame non labangso ke lason ke non first time lo kebang. Lasi isi mesen ang teglo ilitum northeast lapen ilitum karbiang long aphan sitame na karbiang long ni hang ni jang non ang kele chenglo lasi pini ladak field officer to tumdo da field officer alang litung ke Kerala pensi bang lo Kerala pensi la sohormu nang kele lo ladak bang ke rubber board lapen la atma labangso a project lo alang litung combine si labangso a project deng pon lo lasi hormuta kitiji delo pote de kitiji chances bang nil tenglo la si lanpin ke me our side non northeast aphan ke le karbing long aphan ke le la si la so along so puthak nilitum la field officer ma'am do alang lipele ami janu
We successfully delivered RT plants, mane root trainer plants in Chindulangso RPS, Chingiri RPS under Chindulangso for 50 hectare as a part of a new project CLRPD, Credit Link Rubber Plantation Development Project. This project is for 5 years and this is the first time we starting here in Karbi Anglong. I am very happy to this one for delivering these root trainer plants to my Chingiri RPS and people are very active after seeing first time they are seeing this type of plant. Earlier they are using polybag plants and these root trainer plants this one is in cup. That's why it was easy to carry. So today we deliver 6,600 root trainer plants here for planting 15 hectare. This one after 2 days we will start to plant in the field.
So this is all away from Kerala.
This is all way from Kerala.
Okay.
Now around 10-12 days it taken. Packing everything on 10th it started its journey from Kerala to here northeast.
Can you explain how to plant this one? Because this thing is quite very different type.
While planting time you have to hold like this. Hold like that and tap here. Then that time you can remove the cup. This cup. After that you can this cup itself you can put one hole in the planting one. Earlier so you did one hole now for.
Denarong pen Bikram Teron Karbi Anglong Live. KSA Tiri Bialong Kacherab Duna Bangphu Barnabas Kiling Japon Lindsay Ari Sanghua Tumpen Nilip MSC constituency Kaparlo Rong Pho Arong Ahemi Pilapen Kiduk Nainai Ahem Tuna Tumaphan Ake Joypen Kovia Claim Keronasai Kedengpon Kedamtang Jakhong ni Pai Krege Thom Arni KSA Tiri Bialong Kacherab Duna Bangphu Barnabas Kiling Japon Lindsay Ari Sanghua Tum Jasamet KSA Chukihela Rupia Maipu Leo Tiso Koilamati Arua Maipu Raphael Terang Pendanglo Pendangan KSA Along Claim Bangatum Cherap Chitudunsi Chukihela Habar Kedo Pung Adong Langsumipi Resak Hidi Toko Langso Lapen Borjana Rong Pangrumpet Rong Pho Arlu Kedo Hemipia Tumaphan Lapen Rong Isi Pen Kiduk Nainaya Tumaphan Panong Ponsi Ake Joy Pen Kovia Claim Kerabasai Dengponlo Bangso Kovia Claim Keronda Mahut Barnabas Kiling Ahin Pen Jasemet Kovia Claim Kelongdun Abang Pubang Pia Tumaphan Kachuning Ripona Tenki Bangso Kovia Claim Lana Pame Pen Ali Cepado Teknang Pupusi Chuning Ritekang Halapu KAAC Board Chairman Johnny Timong Ahin Pen Pusitami Kovia Claim Kerap Kipidun Tekapot Kiling Asang Hopen Kurubang Thulapen Kachuro Pajir Ponsi Toko Langso Borjana Pen Langso Mepi Malomke Golaghara District Pen Chekoy Notlo Lasi KAAC Ahin Pen Adontin Longlea Pata Pipona Sonte Mesenji Pusi Kiling Asang Hoka Chuningri Padupon
claim kiron pon lake ladak kiduk det mate kawe det hemipi tumasi nil tum ron pon lo masina dak pini ni tum kiron pon along alis nil tulong kido hemipi tum don thong kep do asi don thong kep tum hasi nil tum pini labang so kowe claim bang kiron pon lo
La don hong kep la idon ben ko an rong an sinan tum pin.
nil tum bangke adon mate nil tum bangke kado kawita kawe saidi penak la peni tum dak kido kalau dia masih nil tum bangke arong bang hisap selo nil tum bangla pun an ikhi da don bang sini tum lang tum sami ron pon
Joki hola pension jit kro la pen koila mati pension soning ti Karbi Anglong live. Phong long pera habar hidi sai kati ki ja phan arve ke jang jerega jok rong isiara ratum arna marnia phan chikisi kurusar sarthe terona hinpen sei ke chakpon ajok arvita jangdun phitlo. Sokle tiki kete ili tuma hawara longke kereng jia phan sungkrum. Athe ili tuma hawara long phan trokner kep arara tumke sai kati ki pen loksi a hemarit kachelana I lasi sai kati ki jia phan apora tengpen langta kilongdun kinang so ili tuma hawara longke irrigation abar sai du posetami ning kache thea thayawi laso joine penangana tumke arbe alanga phansi kachiki bonta laso ning kana bangke kopai ke langno penangan hawara longke arbe kabi penajok sokke elong bang bipin adim ta dolan arbe ke jangbom lo bonta atalom pen atalom ansi ke jang chora jok arbe kabe adimalong abangke hidi langa betetlo lason tak thaksi bolong komaji phongsok pera hawara longta penangana hidi malom langka bedera jok sai katikia araratum kaningri hangjolo lapusona pora hot rong araratum sai jokje arna marnia phan chiki ponsi kurusar sarthi terona hinpen arbe ke phase bo phong rongker karkli jia phan se ke chakdu rajok arbeta jangdun phitlo pusi biruta longdon News Desk report Karbi Anglong live. Video prime berita ke rapon se kang tonik lo.